Welcome back. In a major accident, one lady died on the spot and 24 Russian passengers escaped with minor injuries. A tourist bus turtled and dashed on a vehicle proceeding towards Sankwal on Saturday. Sources informed that the bus driver was speeding and lost control of the vehicle. Another vehicle dashed against a motorbike at the same time during the same accident. Varna police have arrested the bus driver. Currently, he is in police custody.
दोन कार आणि एक स्कूटरीचो ॲक्सिडेंट जाल्लो. सो मेजर ॲक्सिडेंट आसलेलो तो. सो पयले जाल्यार ते कार गाडयेंतले 3 जाण इंजर्ड जाल्लेले. तशेंच बस आसली पळय ती एअरपोर्टांतल्यान फॉरेन टुरिस्टांक घेवन येताली.
Rita Cabral died on the spot after the bus dashed their vehicle. She was travelling towards Sakore with her husband and son. Meanwhile, a vehicle hit a motorbike while trying to avoid the major tragedy. The driver of the vehicle and the rider are safe.
बस सोमती डायरेक्ट गेली आणि डम माझ्या ड्रायव्हर साइडीकूच मारले आणि माझी सोडली सोमती गाडी. फास्ट आलो तो फास्ट आलो न्हू आणि गोलीची तेजे तो स्कूटर माझ्या वयरसून पडलो. बस हाती हाड हेचेर मारली. ही गाडी गोलीची येऊन माझ्यावर पडली. मग मारे पे बस स्लो असली का फास्ट असली बस.
The speeding tourist bus was coming to Panaji with 24 Russian tourists from Taboli airport. The bus dashed against 2 cars. Bus driver is currently in police custody in Varna police station. A reporter Dishan Parab for Prudent.
In another incident, a house and a hut were ablaze in Kansauli on Saturday. Fire officials have estimated loss of 12 lakh rupees. House articles and assets were gutted down to ashes. Owner of the house was in Mumbai when the incident happened. A woman from the hut escaped with minor burns.
2 dwellings were ablaze on Saturday evening in Kasauli. A cylinder blast set one house and a hut on fire. House items like fridge, television, scooter, utensils and furniture was gutted down to ashes.
Fire brigade in आता मुंडा मुकाबर.
घरान एक बाईक फुल झोवल्या ती आमकां दिसता. 2 व्हीलर आसा आणि नॉर्मल हाऊस होल्ड आयटम्स. आमी 2 स्टील ट्रंक्स ओपन केल्या. तितून cooking utensils वा तसले सामान दवरलेले आसात पण सगळे completely burned.
However, some people claim that an unknown person lit the fire to the grass besides the hut, which might have led to the fire.
अभी अंदर सामान कुछ जला है, घर भी जला है. हम भाड़े में रहता है, मेरा पति नहीं है. हमारा
बाजू वाला घर का क्या हालत है? क्या कोई
बाजू वाला घर को बम्बे में गया है.
किसी को मार लगा कुछ?
नहीं इतना मेरा हाथ इतना है और मेरे लड़के को इतना लगा है.
Set fire there and because of the dry bushes all around, the fire spread. The fire spread to this area here where there was a thatched palm leaves hut. That hut burned and the fire spread to the house, to the little house behind.
House owner was away when the incident occurred, but a woman living in the hut escaped with minor burnt injuries. Loss up to 12 lakhs has been estimated. Reporter Dishan Parab for Prudent.
Rape accused Tarun Tejpal in his bail petition has contended that the Sessions Court held him guilty much prior to the trial. Tejpal in his petition has also contended that the entire version of the crime branch is based on assumptions and presumptions. High Court will hear Tejpal's bail plea on Tuesday.
Tarun Tejpal in his petition filed before the High Court has contended that the Sessions Court denied him bail not as preventive measure but as punitive measure. Tejpal further contended that Sessions Court has held him guilty much prior to the trial. Targeting investigating agency, Tarun Tejpal has stated that the prosecution is attempting to keep him behind bars under political conspiracy. Tejpal has stated that investigating agency does not have any solid proof of alleged crime and prosecution's whole case is based on assumptions and presumptions. Tejpal has stated that allegations made by the victim in FIR are completely false. At the same time, Tejpal has stated that he is ready to accept and obey every condition put by the High Court. Accused in lady journalist sexual assault case and former editor-in-chief of Tehelka, Tarun Tejpal is behind bars for more than 90 days. He is presently lodged in Sada Sub Jail at Vasco. The High Court has scheduled to hear Tejpal's bail plea on Tuesday. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Congress spokesperson Alice Regina Lawrence has claimed that Ola cab services are still operating in the state. He also said that online recruitment for the services is on. Chief Minister had assured that Ola cabs have not been given any permission to operate in the state and government has closed their offices in the state.
Ola cabsaचे I आज booking केला taxi सगळा the taxis come down. I have booked, I have received the call, I have even paid for the charges and Ola cab is down. Ola cabs bond जावपाक or notice दिवपाक Ola cabsa कडे online तागेले jobs advertise जाले. हे भाशेन जर तर announcement जाता आणि online जर तर advertisement जाता for jobs, how can Chief Minister have the audacity or statement करपाक की आमी ऑफिस बंद करतले? ये सगळ्यो स्टाइल ऑफ चीटिंग MP इलेक्शना लागून माशरा येले MP इलेक्शन जायनी हेंक दाखयता म्हण. Should stay away from all these things and give somebody else a charge till such time everything should be cleared. I have already raised that issue. We will be discussing it in the assembly also.
Crime branch has given in clean chit.
Who? Speaker. Crime branch has given it. See, our job will be to raise it. Let him reply it. Crime branch is run by whom? Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister has made so many statements against crime branch. So what do you expect from the crime branch? But anyway, we are not on that issue. We are not the persons who will judge what the case is. Civil society person, the persons and the legal system will judge the system, will judge, not crime branch. Anyway, but we will raise it, let him reply.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.